Junior want to not be on my. I can't really see what did I miss. Ex-strippers.
Good morning, you guys. This is Cindy Jones. Welcome back to my channel. I make lifestyle, home decor, and talk about my business sometimes, yeah. But welcome back to my channel. So this morning is 10:30. I am headed to drop off these packages for my business, and then after that I am going to Target to go buy some hygiene products and also go to Home Goods. I might go to Home Goods. I don't think I am. I'm lying. But I do need to go to Marshall's or TJ Maxx because I also like to buy some of my hygiene products from there. So once I get there, you guys, I'm gonna show you what I see, and then you guys will see what I grab from there. I went to TJ Maxx. I think I spent $75 in there. So I got these tulips right here. I love tulips. Like, those are my favorite. I just told my husband, like, just to let you know, roses are not my favorite. I love tulips. Like, I love how it looks. It looks so nice. So I got this, and these were $9.99. I guess these are from Martha Stewart. I didn't even know she had a home collection. I thought it was just food that she has, but I got that. Another thing that I got from TJ Maxx was this. This is so pretty. It was $14.99. It's so pretty. So the reason I got it was because I wanted to put these in there, but I'm gonna put them right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. But before I do that, let me show you the rest of my haul, and then we'll see if I'll decide to keep that. So I am going to Thailand soon next month, so I end up getting this. This was normally $13, but I seen it on clearance for $6, baby. So I went and grabbed that. But I don't even think all my makeup gonna fit in here because I be having so much makeup. But this is how it looks. It looks like this. I never had a makeup case or pouch, whatever you want to call it, that's like closed and zipped like this in this type of form. So I end up getting it because I see it was $6, and I'm gonna travel soon, like I said. So I was like, this is a good steal. Another thing that I got was, I think it's on clearance for $4, but I think they only knock $1 off, was this Dermaplane razors. It says Fuzzy's Friends. So it looks like this, and it comes with 5. So I end up getting that because I was like, I need that for my face, to take the hair off. I do it like every 3 months though, so I won't be using that no time soon. Another thing that I got was this blemish removal kit. It extracts all blackheads and whiteheads. So I got this. I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna see how I like it, and then they have on a bag if you want for each one to show you how to use it. But I'm gonna take a picture when I take it out the packaging, and it comes with a case too, which is good. So I end up getting that, so some days I can like do self-care and do my face at home, so I don't have to go to nobody. Because I had this lady, my mama sent me to some lady to get that done. When I tell you, like, my nose area has the most blackheads, that stuff hurted. Like, I won't even lie to you, that stuff hurted. So I was like, yeah, I'm gonna try to learn how to do that stuff myself. The last thing that I got, which made my stuff so high, was this, y'all. Like, look at how cute is this. Like, what? This is so cute. Like, just look at it. So this is for springtime, and this was $30. This was the only one that they had. They had tulips in there, and I was thinking the same thing. I'm like, you know what? They had these tulips in there, these right here. So they had about like 10 of them. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the white tulips or do I want to use from last year. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Let me try to put some in there, and then I'm gonna see if y'all can see the vision with me with them. But I was like, I could not pass up on this. I was like, this looks so cute. And springtime is like right around the corner, and you already know they starting to put all this spring stuff out. So I was like, I gotta jump on it now before everything is so out like that. But I have so much of these. I was thinking about just putting tulips in there and like seeing, I don't know if I want to do white or should I do pink tulips. I really don't know which one I want to do. So I'm trying to decide. I don't want it to be too stuffed with tulips in there too. So that's why I'm trying to see exactly like which ones I want to do. But yeah, I think I really like it. Like, it's really cute to me. It's cute and pretty. So I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Should I put white or should I put pink inside of these? So this is how it looks, you guys. I don't know if I like it. I don't know. But I'm definitely keeping the vase. It gives that clean look to it. But I really don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. I won't even lie to you. But Just let me know in the comments if you guys like it, or should I get something different, or what should I add to this, because I really don't know what to do. I think I want it to stay like this, and it's like leaning more, but I don't know. Just let me know. Good morning, you guys. So it's raining and I am headed to Target, and I'm going to TJ Maxx because I need a few hygiene products and stuff like that. I was supposed to grab it when I went, but I don't know if you watched my last vlog. I literally didn't grab any of the stuff. I think because I was talking to my husband on the phone, so I got so sidetracked. And then also when I went, it was so busy. Like I couldn't even walk. Like I couldn't even vlog. Like it was just so many people. So it just opened up 15 minutes ago. Hopefully it's not a lot of people. I don't know because it's raining, but we'll see. Who knows? But yeah, I like to grab a few of my hygiene products because they're a little bit more cheaper than going to like Target and Walmart and stuff like that. So I'm taking you guys there now with me. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get to the store.
Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle.
I'm gonna try this one too. I'm gonna try this, and then I'm gonna try this one too. So I think I'm gonna buy both of these. I think I'm gonna buy both. I'm gonna get this one. See what else. Oh, they got deodorant over here. They only got two. So I'm gonna get this one. I'm gonna try this one out. I think I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this one. It smells real good. I'm gonna get this. This is $7.99. I'm gonna get that one. I'm gonna get a close one. I'm gonna get this one. Oh, they got a body milk. What else I got? I really used this brand before. I think I got like a sample from it. That thing is $15. No ma'am, not today, not tomorrow. The bath one. I'm gonna grab this one and try it out. It has eucalyptus mint. So I'm gonna try this one out. So I'm gonna grab that one. Yeah. Let me see how this fit on my head, y'all, because I be trying to like wash my face to look pretty. I need this to fit on your girl's face. Let me see how much this is. $6.99. This one $5.99. Oh, this one I can't try it because the way they put the thing on there. Let me see if they have another one. I'm trying to make sure it fit on your girl head and don't move. So I'm gonna get this one because I like pink. So I'm gonna get that one. Y'all, look at this. This is so cute. This is so pretty. But $10. No, ma'am, I'm not paying $10 for that. That's crazy. That's way too much money. Over here, they have all these things that they be having at like Target. They have them here, which is a good thing. It's a rechargeable razor, but I don't need that. I got something like that. All right, so we at Target because I needed me some dryer sheets. I think I'm gonna get this one. Let me see how much it is though. Ooh, my phone all wet and sticky and stuff. Nah, we gonna just stick with what's on sale today. All right, y'all. So I'm back from Target and TJ Maxx. I'm glad I went to Target last because like there was nothing over there. Like I don't know, I think people like really like some stuff I'll go to Target for, y'all know, but it's like you can find it more cheaper at like other places. Honestly, I feel like some people go to Target for the aesthetics, but like I'd rather go to Walmart because I could find like more of a variety. Like I was in Target today, half of the stuff was like empty, like literally empty in there. I couldn't find anything. When I got to Target, I know y'all probably see me grab a couple things. I don't know if I'm gonna attach it or not, But I end up returning it and literally getting only 2 things because they were supposed to be like buy one get one 30, buy one get one 50, like those 2 secrets. It was supposed to be buy one get one 50. But as soon as I scan it, like literally when I get to the desk, the front, whatever you call that, customer service desk, it's not buy one get one 50. So I'm like, why do I need that? And besides, I already brought something when I was at TJ Maxx. But anyways, nevertheless, I got me this Colgate. I'm gonna try it out. This is a Colgate Optic White and it's an Icy Fresh. So I end up getting this. I see that they had it on sale, so I got that. And the last thing I got from there was these dryer sheets because I need dryer sheets when I wash clothes. So I went and got that from there. Another thing that I got, which is now from TJ Maxx. I spent $65 at TJ Maxx. I thought my total was gonna be $20. But what was that noise? Oh, I forgot I locked my car door. So another thing that I got was this Aveeno Baby Calming Comfort Lotion. I got this when I was inside TJ Maxx. I was like trying to see like what's the difference with the pricing to see which is more cheaper. So I seen that Walmart and Target has this for $14 for some Aveeno lotion. That's crazy. I don't think I'll ever pay $15 for some lotion, like never. But anyways, I got this for my daughter because she said she wanted some lotion. So I was like, let me get something that doesn't have too much fragrance in it, but it has just lavender and vanilla in it. So I end up getting this for her, and this was $7.99. Another thing that I got was this eucalyptus mint body wash and foam bath. This is like a stress relief. I be needing this, like for real. So I end up getting this, and this was only $5.99. I thought it was $4, but whatever. So this was $5.99, which I still feel like is a good deal. So I end up getting that because I want to start taking bubble baths and stuff. So, and then the next thing that I got was this Neutrogena facial wipe. Right? These are facial wipes. I thought this was makeup remover. This is not. So I got this, and it has a 25 count that I got is the Neutrogena, like I said, Hydro Boost Cleanser. It's literally almost the same price as Target, but it's like 80 cents cheaper. So this was $4.99. And like I said, I wanted to put this on like when I'm like doing like skincare and all that. So I end up buying that, which I probably might not even use for real, but I picked it up anyways. Another thing that I got from TJ Maxx, which I was trying to find something that's close to like my hair, like the texture, because I have 4C hair. So I was trying to find something, but I really don't know, like, and I didn't have time to be sitting there at the store doing research and stuff like that. So I got this brand, I don't know how you pronounce it, but I got this. It's a coconut oil shampoo. It says Restore Shine botanically infused, paraben free. So I got this. This was on clearance for $8, but yeah, this one was on clearance for $8, but then the conditioner is, how much is the conditioner? The conditioner is $8.99, which I don't feel like is bad. Mind you, this is 32 ounces. 32 ounces. Y'all know, I think it's called OGX, if that's the brand name. They had that one at TJ Maxx, but that one was mainly for if your hair is like more damaged. My hair is not damaged, so I didn't grab that. That's the only reason why I didn't grab it. But for a 32 ounce, I feel like this is a good deal because a lot of shampoos, I think they come in like 12 ounces. I'm not sure, but I feel like I got a bang for my buck spending literally $16, $17 on 2 shampoos. Why is my lip gloss in here? I'm like, huh? I know I don't steal. So, all right. So the next thing that I got was from, I don't know if I'm saying it right, Ollie, whatever it is. I got this Active Immunity elderberry. It's for immune support. So I ended up getting this. It comes with 45 gummies and it is $7.99 for this. I'm about to check on Target and see how much Target is charging for theirs, because I know Target sell like the whole collection. So let me see how much is it from Target, the Active. So look at how much Target is charging. Mind y'all, I told y'all I got 45 for $7.99, and I checked the date on it. Let me give y'all the date so y'all won't think I'm lying. These expire in July, right? This is the same thing for $13.99. Literally $13.99, and I paid $7.99. Y'all see the price difference? So I basically paid $7 cheaper to get it from TJ Maxx. So the next thing that I got was this from that same brand. Is the Flawless Complexion. That one says support, clears, healthy skin and stuff like that. So this comes with 50 and this one was $8.99, right? So let me see how much is it from Target. So again, $8.99, and at Target it is literally $13 from Target. So like I said, like one thing about me, I always like read expiration dates and everything. When does this one expires? This one says it expires in August of 2024, which is this year. That's why I said you could get a bang for your buck. You don't have to always go to Target and get everything. This one. Okay, so it says by 2026 of April you could use this. So I got this one. This was $3.99. I don't know if anybody sell this or if you guys heard of this brand, but let me know. I normally use Secret, but I decided to try this. Hopefully it's good. I don't like to use like the bar because I'm last minute. I like to change my clothes last minute, so I always get like the marks on my clothes. So this is why I went with this option, and this has like a lock on and on. I mean on and off, whatever button. So I believe that's everything I got for $65. I feel like if I would have went to Target, I probably would have spent like $200 literally on all this stuff, which for what? The aesthetics? No. So I believe that was it, everything that I got from there. I didn't really buy too much because I already went the other day to get things, but nevertheless, I'm about to get ready to eat, and then I'm gonna go clean up my house because my house is a mess. So I'm gonna see you guys in a few.